We're back at it again with another install video. Today we got the 350Z Diff Brace. So I'm gonna get this box opened and show you what's inside. All right, so inside the box you're gonna find stickers, of course. Then you're gonna find the actual hardware, the bolts for the diff brace, and then of course the diff brace itself. So why do you need a diff brace? Well, your diff only really has one chassis mount on it. I mean, other than the two bushings, it's in the rear subframe, one bolt comes out, and that still kind of allows your diff to have a little bit of a side-to-side sway. So this is giving you another mount on the subframe. So I'll show you what you need to do. I'm gonna go get the jack and move on to the next step. So you're gonna get under your car and you're gonna unscrew this bolt and then this bolt as well. So first do that. All right, so after you get those two out, you're gonna go to your bag here. You're gonna open this up. You got your brace itself. You're not gonna need those two anymore. Make sure you have the washer on there as well. Keep that on. All right, then you got the flat side pointing towards the back of the car, and then that narrower side on the actual brace itself, on the actual diff. Then it's a bolt and a washer, and the same for the bottom there. Then you're gonna move up to this little subframe hole there. All right, so you're gonna slide the this insert in first into here. Then you're gonna slide the bolt all the way through. You should see it come up here. Then you're gonna put a washer on that bolt and then the nut. So at this point, you should only be left with these two things. Getting that nut on is actually very difficult because of that speed sensor on the diff, but once you get it on there, you'll be good. And mine actually kind of lines up weird, so I think I'm gonna start with bolting in the bottom one to kind of, you know, move that one into place. Then I will do a little bit more on the top and then this middle one. But it's all just about tightening it down and you're all set to go. All right, I got started torquing down this bottom one first, and that kind of pulled the brace into it, which is good, which is what I wanted. And then I left the other two hand tight during that. Then I kind of tightened down the middle one just a little bit. And this one was still loose and free, so then I torqued that down. You're gonna need a wrench up there to lock that nut into place, but it's a pretty easy install, nothing crazy. Really dealing with tight spaces. All three of them are, what is it, 17 millimeter, so you'll be fine, easy. Yeah. All right, now that that is installed, you can have a little bit of peace of mind when you go drifting on the track. It's all in there good. Lower your car back, and yeah, that's it.